Making great posters can often be a complicated and time-consuming task. You either have to be a designer or you have to hire one to get great-looking results. Well, not anymore. With Placeit's poster makers, it's incredibly easy. So let me show you a couple of different designs that I made using Placeit's poster makers. Starting out with a modern poster design that we see here. Next, I made an indie festival poster. And let me go ahead and click on it so you can see how good the resolution is. So as you can see, the resolution is very high and there's a ton of detail in each one of these posters. And then finally, I made a quote poster. After I finished making my posters, I also made some poster mockups. Let me show you those now. Here we have a poster mockup that you might use if you're a designer and you want to showcase some of your designs in a portfolio. Or if you're interested in selling your poster, there are also mockups for that as well. This one shows the poster on a desk, nicely framed, so you can use that to promote your poster in your online store. And finally, I made a poster mockup video, which you can use this to share it and promote your event on social media in an interactive and visually appealing way. Now let me go ahead and show you how you actually make one of these posters using Placeit. To actually create our own poster, the first thing we need to do is choose a template that we'd like to use. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the quote picture maker template. And on the left-hand side, we have all our different text options. So the little checkbox lets us remove or add a line of text. So for example, if I click on it, it's going to get rid of that top line that says the journey begins. We can see that up here. So anytime you make any change on these templates, you're going to see the results basically in real time on the preview. So that's great because that means you can edit this endlessly and you can preview the results before you're done. To the right of the check mark, we have the text box. This is where we actually edit the text. So I'm just going to select it and start typing. And as you can see on the preview, the text changes. So I'm going to go ahead and change that back. Below that, we have our font picker. So if I click on that, I get a drop down with all the different fonts that I can use for that line of text. And to the right of that, I have the font color picker. So if I click on that, I get this little pop-up and we have a bunch of different presets for colors here. I'm just going to choose one to show you what that looks like. It's going to change it to this nice yellow here. But we can also click on more and we can be more precise with our colors. We can just slide and drag around here to pick any color that we like. And we can also input the hex code below that. And then we just click on choose and it's going to set that color to that line of text. So let me go ahead now and edit that first line of text. I'm going to change the color to white and I'm going to change the text. Next, I'm going to change the main lines of text here. And I'm also going to change the line that says hustle here from this yellow to a nice pink. And as you can see, this text box is a lot bigger than these other single lines of text. This is a multi-line text box, and we can, as the name implies, put more than one line of text. So let me go ahead and edit that now as well. All right, now we go to the right-hand side where we have all our different graphic options. Starting with the main graphic, we can pick the color of that graphic. So for example, right now we have some pine cones selected. Let me just click on another option to show you what that looks like. As you can see, we can preview all the different designs that we have available here. We can also get rid of the image by clicking on no image. So what I'm going to do is leave the main graphic as it is. I'm going to go now to the background and choose the color. I'm going to change it from this nice dark blue to a solid black. And I'm also going to choose the background image. So as you can see, there are a ton of different options here, but we can also either remove the image or upload our own custom image from our computer. I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of the presets here. Let me see here. I think I'll just pick this one. So once we're satisfied with our poster and we're ready to download it, we simply go to the top section here, the big blue download button, and we click on that. And we're going to get this pop-up that's going to tell us the file format, which is a PNG, and the resolution that we're going to get our download at. Then we simply click on Purchase. Or if we happen to have an unlimited subscription, which is only $29 a month, that allows us to download and make as many posters, mockups, videos, and design templates that we want. To find all the poster makers that are currently available, you simply go to placeit.net and you go to the left-hand side under Designs, and then you slide over to the right-hand side where it says Poster Maker. So right now, these are the different poster makers that are available, but more are constantly being added, and we're always listening to our customers for suggestions on what designs they're looking for, what their needs are. So if you have any of those, go ahead and leave those as comments in this video or email them to us at hi@placeit.net. We're always looking for customer suggestions, and we're always creating new things based on what our customers need. And don't forget that Placeit also has a ton of poster mockups that you can use to either promote your event or sell the actual poster if you're a designer. So let me just show you what a couple of these look like. So you can see these that have the little play icon in the corner are actually video mockups for posters. You can preview them just by moving your mouse over them, like I'm doing right now. Or there are also a ton of photo poster mockups. And to filter them, we just simply go to the left-hand side where it says product, and you can see we have posters selected, and there are 121 different poster mockups right now, but more are constantly being added. And we can also filter by images, by video, or by lists. So that's how easy it is to create professional, high-resolution posters using Placeit. Not only that, Placeit also has the mockups so that once you're done, you can either promote your event or sell your fantastic-looking designs on your online store. In just a couple of clicks, you saw how easy it is to make some amazing looking designs. So go ahead and get started now.